Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a hair scrunchie. So let's get started. I'm using chunky yarn, tea cakes, and a 9mm crochet hook. You can use any size yarn and any size hook that you like. So I'm going to start with my slip knot. Because I'm using a very thick yarn, I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that. Chain 1 and turn. Working in the back side of the stitch only, like that. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And you're going to repeat this row until you have all of the length that you require. Okay, so chain 1 and turn. Working in the back side of the stitch only. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And your turning chain is always the last stitch, like that. And I have one here that's finished, and it should be approximately 12 inches long. So now I'm going to fold this in half like this, and I'm going to slip stitch all the way across to form a tube. And I'm only passing through one of the loops when I slip stitch. So slip stitch in each stitch across the row. And that will form a tube. Gather all this up together and pass a hair tie on, like that. Fold them together, and I just tuck that end inside, thread the yarn end into a needle, and sew all the way around. All the way around. And then I usually just turn the seam to the inside like that, and there you have a very easy crochet hair scrunchie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.